Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have Jura and I ate. Came into the shop for a couple issues. There's poor milk frothing. The water inlet was disconnected. It needed to be reconnected. And just came in for a regular service. We ended up doing a tune-up on the machine, so took out the brew unit, cleaned it out, replaced the gasket in the brew unit, which is this one right here. We also ran a cleaning cycle, descaling, and then I deep cleaned the milk system. So I soaked all the components in Rinza, and then I did the milk system cleaning cycle that Jura has on their machines. And yeah, so after doing that, we're just gonna test a milk drink. Let's try a cappuccino. That's it for the cappuccino. Then I'm just gonna do an espresso. Alright, so that's about it. We have a decent amount of foam, and we have a decent espresso. Alright, that's about it for this video. Thank you.